Hello viewers. Today we are going to see how to download a Python. So if you want to download the Python, first we should have to type in the search bar. In the Google search, we can type simply Python download. Okay, in that first one, www.python.org is there. So we can click the first one. The latest one, we have so many versions of Python will be available like Python 3.90, 3.1, 8.7, 8.6 like that. So whatever we want, we can able to download. So if you want to download the Python, first we should have to click the download Python button. So once if you click the Python download search engine, we have the latest version of Python is 3.9.1 is the latest version. So if you want to download, just we have to come down here. Coming down means see here, uh, yeah, here we have whenever whatever the versions will be available in the Python, everything they have displayed here. So we are going to download the Python, the latest version, that is called that is the called download Python 3.9.1. So if you click this download Python 3.9.1 means automatically. So before going to click this Python, we should have to select ours is a Windows or Linux or Unix, whatever the operating system we are using. So just I'm using Windows, so I'm just clicking download Python 3.9.1. It will take a few seconds to complete this process. Let this complete. Yeah, it has completed. So once if you have completed, just click this .exe file. Yeah, so now it will ask that. So see here, you should have to observe that one. This is 3.9.1 is for the 64-bit, because in my computer I have 64-bit processor will be available. So before you are going to download this one, we should have to confirm that each and every one should have to confirm that whether you are using 32-bit processor or 64-bit processor. According to that, we should have to download. Okay, so now next one is see here, it's asking that the path of the Python where it should have to download this 39 Python 39. So it's automatically by default it always take the C drive only. So if you want to continue with the C drive, we can proceed with this one, or else if you want to change means so custom installation option is there, so we can do that. So here I am just going with the C drive only. It will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, we should have to click yes. So after clicking yes, it will take a quite seconds to complete the setup process. So we should have to wait until that. So the process is initializing here. So before that, let us initialize this process. So I will show you how to check that whether your processor is a 64 or 32-bit processor means. So for that, we should have to type PC, computer, we have to open. So to open computer, the properties, you have to click the properties. When we are clicking the properties, it will show that whether what is the operating system we are using and what is the, yeah, see here, I'm using the Windows 10 operating system minus, and the see here system type is it's showing this 64-bit operating system. It's mean that 64 based processor. So like that, each and every one you can able to check your operating system, which version of operating system you are using, and what is the processors, whether it is a 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, right. So I'm going back. Still, it's the setup process is going on. Let it complete. It will take quite seconds to complete this process. Yeah, it has completed almost. Yeah, so our setup was successfully we have completed. So this is how we should have to download our Python. So once if you have downloaded, how we can able to check whether the Python has downloaded properly or not. So for that we should have to come to the search bar. In the search bar, if you Python name means yes, automatically it's showing that Python 3.9 version it's showing. So here if you click means we have in the Python, yeah. So if you click this Python means it will see here open run as administrator like that it's asking. So if I click Python, double click if you do means, so it's opening that command prompt, Python command prompt it has opened. So this is how we should have to download the Python in our computer. So here one more thing also is there, Python. Python, yeah, uh, yeah, yeah.